This is an unusual vehicle here. 1956 Ford Courier. And under the hood here we have a 6-cylinder engine, overhead valve. Probably a 223 cubic inch engine, 137 horsepower. Looks in very nice shape here. 12-volt battery and oil bath air cleaner. It's a light green, and pretty soon you'll see it's a two-tone combination. This is like a panel truck. It's based on the ranch wagon, I'm sure. Station wagon chassis. Has nice wide white walls, full wheel covers. But as you see, it's kind of like a sedan delivery vehicle. We'll check out the interior. It's a auction car at the LakelandLinder Airport. You see the interior has been redone, but I don't quite agree with the shade of blue that is kind of contrasting with the green. I think it would look better as more saturated green, but at any rate, it is what it is. Manual transmission. Nice steering wheel. As you see, no back seat, but it's carpeted. Looks like they've, spent some money on redoing the interior. I guess you'd call that blue shade a turquoise. But at any rate, it's a nice vehicle. And you don't see them anymore. I think this probably has recently undergone restoration because, as you see back here on the tailgate, well, actually it's a door, as you see, has hinges. There's the logo is missing, but otherwise it looks pretty complete. This would be nice for a business to create interest. If the logo was on the white paneling there, it would certainly draw attraction to whatever business it represented. Nice looking vehicle.